Welcome to the LulzBot Filament Profile Series. In these videos, we are showcasing properties and applications for the many materials you can print with a LulzBot 3D printer. The filament highlighted in this video is NinjaFlex, a type of thermoplastic elastomer. For optimum NinjaFlex print quality, we recommend a nozzle temperature of 210 to 230 degrees Celsius and a bed temperature of 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. Because of its unique properties as a flexible filament, we strongly recommend using LulzBot's FlexiStruder accessory printer tool head, shown with a green extruder body in this video. NinjaFlex has quickly become one of the most talked about filaments in 3D printing. This material is an elastic plastic known for its flexibility, strength, and adhesion properties. With these properties in mind, NinjaFlex is ideal for cushioning, shock absorption, hinges, and wearable fashion applications. Today we are printing a custom bicycle handle that will withstand tight grips and heavy use over time. Default configurations make it faster and easier to use your LulzBot. NinjaFlex configurations can be found on our website at lulzbot.com/configs. Want to learn more about NinjaFlex and other 3D printing materials? Join our online community at forum.lulzbot.com. You can buy your FlexiStruder and NinjaFlex filament today at lulzbot.com. Thanks for watching.